Hello guys, it's me with another video, Victor Kid. I'm walking to my local cemetery, just observing the winter storm Helena in Millville, New Jersey. And I think we have about 5 inches of snow, it's safe to say. The back edge of the storm is just approaching southwest New Jersey right now. And we had just a slight little break with a little bit of snowfall coming down, but it's starting to pick up again. I am walking to Dunkin' Donuts, and hopefully I'll make it by then. You see me? See how red my face is? Yeah, it's cold out here, but I love it. It's good stuff, man. Good stuff. Yeah, snow's definitely starting to pick up again. I think we might be able to see about another inch before all is said and done by around 4:30, 5 o'clock. So yeah. I think we're gonna have about 5-6 inches, maybe more. Let's see, I've never really measured. Let's see, gonna measure what area here. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know. That looks about 4 inches there. Is a good overview of the visibility. That's why I'm also out here in this part of Millville. And hopefully I'll have the privilege to show you guys even lower visibility when that heavier band of snow comes in about 20-25 minutes. I don't think I'm going to be recording that long though. I'm gonna cut the video short soon, but yeah, nothing like seeing snow in 4K though, man. You know what I'm saying? I could not find my boots today, so I'm in my sneakers. But I think I'll be alright. It's not really crazy snow. I'm not even I'm trying to hold the phone as steady as I possibly can. I apologize for the crazy wind that's battering the microphone right now. But that just shows you how crazy the storm is a little bit. We got the winds coming out of the northeast, and they're only going to pick up as the day progresses. Ooh, my face. It's like a stinging type of cold, man. I'm gonna get to like a lighter area of snow here, because I kind of can't walk through all this snow in my sneakers. They're like a little snowdrift here. Mini snowdrift. So this is how secondary roads are in Jersey are kept. Just ran over naturally by cars and trucks and vans and buses and SUVs. Yeah, I think the visibility is dropping as I walk. I do have to agree with you, it is not the smartest thing to do on a day like this, to walk to about a quarter mile, half a mile to Dunkin' Donuts. But you know, I love this weather, man. It's just part of loving this weather. You gotta learn to embrace it and be like, yes, if you really love snow, you love it because you're in it. And there's a fellow neighbor just pulling in their driveway. They're like, yeah, forget this, man. I'm going inside where it's warm. don't know, how red is my face? I can't really tell. Look at my nose, it's pretty red. There's our still people driving around. That's also not the smartest thing to do on days like this. If you can stay inside. Seriously. Don't put yourself at risk like that. It's coming from a guy who's walking in the snow with just a jacket and gloves and pants and shoes on. I don't really have any like crazy Arctic, you know, protection on me, but you know, whatevs. I think I'm gonna stay on the, look at that. Just look down, it's just, you can tell that the visibility has been reduced. I'm just gonna stay on this road. I'm gonna take a left where hopefully there's a decent area to walk in to my destination called the Dunkin' Donuts. I think they're open today. They should be. If they claim that America runs on Dunkin', then yeah, they should be. But yeah. My second part of the video, we'll talk about the impacts of the storm and that I really should have talked about earlier. Impacts of the storm and whatnot. And yeah. I will see you guys in the second clip. Alright guys, I'm back. Alright, so there it is, the Dunkin' Donuts. I walked about, I don't know, 100 feet. Maybe 150, 200. And yeah, barely see that. Carrying my lovely hot chocolate from there. I kid you not, this makes you feel so warm. There's really the actual view of the street, the visibility. The snow has picked up, like I said it would, and the back edge of the storm is just about hitting Millville. It has just passed northern Delaware, Wilmington, all that good stuff. There's plows scraping some snow off the road over there. And I'm here to talk to you about the impacts of Helena, or Helena, however you say it. This morning I got home, I had made a forecast video of how much snow would fall and where and yada yada yada. Really, the impacts that you're seeing about Winter Storm Helena is right here. Of course, I've seen accidents. I've been following certain things on Twitter and I've seen accidents happen and all that good stuff. And of course, main topic is the snow. I am not actually getting in front of the snow. I'm just getting the, I want to say kind of like the upper northwestern edge of it. By that I mean North Carolina, eastern parts of Virginia. They're getting about what? They're getting about a foot or so. And as I speak, snow is intensifying. Trying to cross the road here. Alright. Okay. We're in good condition here now. Alright. I gotta be careful. I want to go on these roads down here, secondary streets. These are the road conditions on the primary roads, okay? This is the main Highway 49. Or if you live in South Jersey, you know this has the Bridgeton Millville Pike or whatever. So I'm just gonna turn into my neighborhood here. Alright, so the impacts. Mainly snow. Now, the main thing to talk about after this is the cold and how long it will stick around. The cold is gonna be sticking around for at least an additional 2 or 3 days. I think the next warming trend we will see is Tuesday. We will see temperatures above freezing. And this snow will start melting more significantly. Sunday morning, we'll have a fresh injection of cold air as the low pressure system passes the eastern coast, and therefore temperatures in the wind chill would be around 0 in central and southern New Jersey. I want to say more like the single digits. I don't think it's gonna feel like that though, trust me. Right now it's about 22 degrees here, and it's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon in Millville. And that's because we want to thank that to the snow and also to the wind chill, the wind coming from the northwest. And as I mentioned earlier part of the video, there's gonna special thanks to the stronger winds that are intensifying. So yeah, that's basically it. I think the latter half of January we're gonna see a little warming trend. It's not gonna be crazy warm, but it's also not gonna be crazy cold. It's gonna be like in between. What I mean by that is that, to be honest, I'm not sure when we're gonna see this kind of snow event again. I think it's gonna be at least a couple weeks. We might see a snow shower or two in between that time period, but I don't really see anything like this happening. This originally was forecasted not even to become like this. The GFS model is saying, oh, it's gonna be way far out to sea, and if you're lucky, if you live in Cape May, you might even see a few snowflakes or a snow shower. Apparently they're doing mail right now, huh? Cool. But the North American model was projecting the fact that we were definitely going to get some snow along with the European model. How much snow is of course uncertain. It's always hard to be sure what kind of snow we're going to get and all that good stuff. And so here's snow. Oh, it's way back there. So in the previous part of the video I had shown you how bad the snow was, but look at this. Holy cow. I can't even see like 300 feet down there. Just a quarter-mile visibility right now, man. Quarter-mile visibility. I'm sure it's gonna drop as I continue walking. I apologize if this video is a bit shaky. Doing my best to do this. How you doing? Alright. This guy trying to make some money doing some snow shoveling for other people. I should be doing the same thing, man. Shoot. If I love the weather so much. Which way do I go? Just kidding. So yeah. The main thing to look out for next week, see Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. It's gonna be a warming trend. It's gonna be 50 degrees on Thursday. Wow. It's hard to believe that we're going to see 50 degrees on Thursday, but yeah, I'm going to see 50 degrees, and definitely going to see some rain on Wednesday and Thursday as well. Not going to be a lot of rain, but there's going to be a clipper system moving through that will bring us some precipitation, but it would be definitely too warm for anything to be wintry type. I feel like I got a half an inch since I've left. I walked all the way up to Dunkin' Donuts, sat there for about 20 minutes, and definitely another half inch or so has accumulated since I left. Yeah, I'm having a hard time walking in the snow here too. So walking down here just like reminds me of like during the summer. It's hard to believe. I think it's amazing. You live in a climate where you live and it's 4 seasons. So 6 months ago I was just walking here and it's like blazing heat, like 100 degrees. And when Pokemon Go was big and everything, so I'm like trying to go to all these places in 100-degree weather playing Pokemon Go in my shorts and short sleeve and sweating my brow off and everything, and here I am 6 months later, just pretty. I think it's pretty neat to live in an area like this. I honestly would love to live in an area where there is more snow. I don't think we get enough snow here. That's my opinion. I apologize if this video is a little long, but I'm just telling you, you know. But as far as next week goes, it's gonna be mainly milder, with temperatures, you know, more than normal, above average. So yeah, I felt a lot colder walking to Dunkin' Donuts because I was walking against the wind. And let me tell you something, guys. It's much harder to walk against the wind, especially in this kind of weather, than have the wind face you against your back. I feel a lot less cold, and I feel warmer with this hot chocolate too. So yeah, I just observed the snow. Watch for all of you snow lovers out here. You just, if you care to, just can let the video play, and you can just observe the snowfall. Oh, it's so beautiful. So for those of you who just want to watch the snow fall the rest of the video, just let it go. And no pun intended. But for the rest of you, that really wraps up my whole discussion about this forecast and whatnot. Not really crazy to talk about. The crazy stuff to talk about was before the snowstorm hit, because looking at all the computer models and everything, oh, what's right, what's wrong, yada yada yada. So yeah, that's it, guys. We can just walk and listen to the crunching of my feet.